What up? It's the Blu-ray Collector 306 here again with some fucking gameplay. I'm gonna play some of that Ratchet and Clank. Just came out today. Hopefully this is a fun game. Hit that like button if you
Open up on 7.
support my gameplay. Definitely want to get back into
Move it out,
a lot of
Shiv.
gameplay too.
Oh, yeah. Hero, huh?
Gameplay
Identifying prisoner 117, Shiv, Helix.
and Blu-ray collection videos.
You think you can break me, Copper? Yeah, I've been in the darkest pits of the universe. Places that would
I
make
enjoy
your
playing
bolts
the Ratchet
rattle.
Clanks
The
on
eternity
the
pits of sword
PS3
doom.
and-
The iron holding no balance. Ah.
Whoa. Let me see. Who's that? What's the name, guys?
Greetings, new fish. I'm...
One.
Captain Quark. I don't believe it. You're here. I used to dream of being arrested by you.
Now get out of here. I was talking to you, Zed.
Yes, Captain.
So, new fish, I take it you followed my many, many adventures?
Of course I have. You're the most famous superhero in the galaxy.
He ain't famous anymore.
Words hurt, Solitary Bill.
I'm a huge fan. I even pre-ordered the new Ratchet and Clank Holo game.
The what?
You know, the game based on that incident with you and that Lombax.
Oh, you must mean the hollow film. Yeah, it's pretty good, if you like all CG.
No, I mean the game. It's based on the Holo film. Look, here's my confirmation email. I'm having it mag shipped to prison.
They're making a game based on a hollow film based on my life? But they haven't even consulted me. Oh, this is my fault. I've been away from my adoring public in this forsaken place too long. And now, no one will
This
ever
game
hear
I
my
picked up
side.
at Best Buy.
I'd like to hear your side,
like
Captain.
You would?
$52.
Well, then sit down, wary criminal, and I'll tell you a story. It all started with a hapless Lombax named Ratchet.
Ratchet and Crank. Clank. Jank. Join me some adventure games.
Where do you think you're going?
Hey, Grim, you're here. I thought you'd be down at the bazaar shopping for gravity coils.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm here. I'm always here. I don't suppose you sneaking out would have anything to do with those Galactic Ranger tryouts?
I just need 1 hour. Come on, Grim. These are the Galactic Rangers we're talking about. Captain Quark will be there.
No leaving the garage until you help fix Mr. Micron's ship. Now get on that bolt crank.
Any of my games I have, if you go back to
Does that ship look mag-lifted to you? Get on that bolt crank, come
my
on!
game collection.
Look at this thing. Avionics fried, CPU fried, even the gosh darn gravity coils fried! Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. Do you see something flashing?
Yep. Left side looks good.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner lights.
Lower left afterburner light checks out.
Everything's working.
This thing might just be space-worthy after all. One more to...
Lower right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds. Show 'em what you got, kid.
And so Ratchet began his adventure, hoping to become a Galactic Ranger.
Rise and shine, Kizzle Plateau. It's 8 a.m. and it's gonna be a hot one
Hey.
today. Our first story is set on
Fuck, these graphics look dope. Oh, that'd be so cool if they remade like a dope Spyro game, kind of like this.
Ratchet bashed his enemies using his trusty Omni Wrench.
Fucking murder, one shot at him.
Nice!
One shot.
In order to best his
One
foes,
love.
Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition
One
of
life.
jumping.
Let's get together and fucking bunch of horny toads. One love. Bunch of horny
Ratchet knew he
toads.
faced mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5 gunshot wounds.
Jump, jump. I'm gonna jump into the down there. There. Makes sense.
Lombax displayed a flagrant disregard for public property. Look at him smashing crates. The hubris.
Maybe he was
see
just
myself
saving up
trying to
bolts so he
grab
could buy a
this.
new weapon to protect the galaxy with.
Hey, who's telling the story here?
Let me finish it.
With his enemies vanquished, Ratchet forged ahead. His destination? Destiny.
Oh, what the fuck? Look at that shit. That's cool. Like it.
Welcome to the Galactic Ranger Recruitment Event.
Love it.
Step into the training course and let's test your mettle. Are you ready? Ranger? Are you ready to dispense some justice?
That's cool.
I spy another contestant. Good luck, future Ranger.
Hello, recruit. Cora Burlux here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles. Good work. Now keep moving to the next part of the course.
If you see me at the event, please do not run up and insist on...
Good job. You
fell off
could be the
there.
recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next part of the course.
Alright.
Hey there, recruit. I'm Brax Lectress, and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates. Hey, that was pretty good. Keep moving. It's time to get our hands on some firepower. Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor. Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor.
Sure, exchange bolts.
Good choice.
Yes.
Awesome. Next step,
yeah.
blow stuff up.
This is cool. Up there.
The Solana Galaxy is a perilous place, as evidenced by the large amounts of ammunition left sitting around in crates. order to spice things up, we've armed these dummies with Gadgetron flamethrowers. Our lawyers are totally cool with this.
Good job, recruits. You may just be the next Galactic Ranger.
Oh,
Head to the final challenge.
Come on, Ratchet. You can do this.
Time for the final challenge. Survive a brutal onslaught of enemies, and you just might be our next Galactic Ranger. Or
Nice.
one down.
Whoa. Looks like some angry toads.
Defeat enemies, increase your health.
Impressive. Could we be looking at Solana's next Galactic Ranger? Got it. Another one down. Excellent job, Cadet. Come see me after the show.
Huh. That wasn't so bad.
Ladies and gentlemen, the savior of Solana, Captain Quark. Hello, Veldin.
Hello, Captain!
He's on fire again.
I know.
My name is Copernicus Quark, and yes, that was an impressive wall of fire I just walked past. I'm gonna be real with you folks for a moment. When President Vironix recommended I take on a new ranger, I knew just where to go. That's right. We want you!
Yeah!
I know what you're thinking. Do I have what it takes? After all, you may not have prevented Dr. Nefarious from atomizing Aliros City. You may not have stopped Neptune Prague from rendering the entire population of Iridia colorblind. Twice. After all, you may not have this chiseled jaw or godlike pectoral region, but if you have heart, then you have what it takes. You don't have what it takes.
But I have heart.
Yes, but unfortunately that heart is encased in a weak, muscleless mass of inexperience. Plus, there's your history to consider.
Got a long line of citations here. Possession of an illegal gravity repulsor.
Operation of a black market accelerator.
Willful disruption of the space-time continuum.
That is a funny story.
You're reckless, you're a loose cannon, and you're dangerous. That's my shtick.
Wait, just give me a chance.
Sorry, no time. Galaxy in jeopardy. Get back out there. And remember, you can do anything. As long as you're me. Next! Meanwhile, on planet Quartu...
Dr. Nefarious, the mad scientist who made all of this possible.
Mad suggests cognitive impairment. I'm more of a vengeful scientist. I trust you're here to meet the troops.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime objective.
Destroy Galactic Rangers.
State your prime hub.
Hello.
Defect detected. Preparing for immediate destruction. In 3, 2.
Oh, a defect. Go play, Victor.
Alright.
The helpless defect knew that his best chance for survival lay with the facility's ventilation system. If he could just run to the vent, he...
Well, that is going to be part 1 of my Ratchet and Clank gameplay. Stay tuned for part 2. I'd say within a week. Hit that like button and drop me a comment. Let's get these comments popping. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.